ride. Now back to the chute. Here's Mike White. He had only one qualified ride, had a tough dismount. Remember, he got that horn in the chest there earlier on in the round today. He's on Misfire. Misfire, if you ride him, usually that score's been about 87. That could be a good one. Adriano Marias and Corey McFadden, Cody Whitney, all putting up rides on him of 87.5 or better this year.
Well, this guy won the round last night with a 91, bucked off earlier today. He's got a second chance, and Ty, you're right. He rides this bull and everybody else bucks off. He could be in the hunt for that Super Duty $1 Million challenge.
He was a winner in Connecticut. Here he comes on Misfire. Misfire spinning around to the right, into the hand of Mike White. White leans forward, readjusts. Mike White stays in there and nails the ride. Had that 91 last night. What will he get here in the championship round?
Stranger things have happened, Ty.
No, I know. And, you know, Mike White, I'm just so impressed with him. He's so athletic. He's so strong, so quick. He's got the body, the grace of a gymnast. You know, he has the aggressiveness.
He's a complete package.
He really is. And I don't know why we can't get all the things lined up. You know, it seems like it's either an injury or a little slump comes along. But this guy here, what a great bull rider he is.
Mike White needs an 86 to take the lead here in the championship round.
Oh, yeah, he's going to, yeah, he'll get that and more. He'll get that and more. And the only way he can win is if the rest of these guys buck off. But there you go. Look at that score.
A 90 for Mike White. That puts him in first place. And remember, when we started the 2005 season here on NBC, the winner at Mohegan Sun, Connecticut was Mighty Mike White. And then it seems, as has been the case for him throughout his career, he got injured and been back and forth throughout, but he's ridden well here in Florida.